Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Sorry guys, I'm going to have to apologize again. We're shooting the car inside. We've got snow blazing everywhere outside, and I hate this, but we snapped some photos real quick of this Nova, and we're going to shoot you a quick video just so you can kind of get a good look at it. But pretty car, 1966 Chevrolet Nova. It's got 2,000 miles on a complete body-up restoration. It's finished in Danube blue with the black vinyl interior in it. It's got a 66 date-coated 327 in it, 350 trans, automatic. It's got vintage air. It's original Alabama car. Again, body-up restoration. You can see it's got a set of 17-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds all the way around it. Good looking car, and it is a true super sport. Yeah, and I hate it that we're shooting this thing out in the inside the building, but Mother Nature just will not cooperate today. You can see it's got the cowl hood. Chrome and stainless are nice on the car. You nitpick some, you can see a couple little stone pecks in the paint, but nice. Very nice car. If you follow us, you know that I own all the cars in the building. I don't do any consignment. It's got to be a nice car, or I don't mess with it. Not that any of them are perfect, guys. I think we're 8 cars away from me personally owning and selling 6,000 of these things, and I've never seen a perfect one yet. This is a good looking car, of course. Very popular body style. Tough for me to get my hands on these cars. That tail panel's pretty darn nice too. These are tough to get. Couple little marks, but man, not much you can really pick at on that. Nice and flat down the sides. It's got brand new rubber in the rear. Those are Nittos in the rear. Does have the front disc brakes. Again, this is a 66 date coated engine. The previous owner told us it was not the matching numbers engine, but he did find a 66 date coated 327 for it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and it does have vintage AC. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. It's got an MSD 6AL box, 350 trans. You can see the big front sway bar on it. A couple little marks in the paint, but nice car. A little pitting on the inside there of the A-pillar chrome, but pretty darn nice. Looks like new door handles. The stainless on the top of the door is nice. Of course, it's got the black vinyl interior. It's got the custom kick pads with the speakers and the kick pads. Bucket seats, console. It's got a Grant wood steering wheel, factory dash with some aftermarket Autometer gauges. 2000, was that 66 on the odometer? Again, aftermarket gauges, got a AM/FM radio in it. Dual exhaust. He said it's a big 10 bolt. Not real sure what that is. Doesn't have a big gear though or anything like that in it. Probably more like a stock, you know, 323, something like that. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. I'm not real sure what they've had in here, but it's got a couple little, and they've drilled those holes, so I don't know if something was in it and they took it out. Yeah, it's not focusing very well here. We got the door open back here. Sorry, guys. Come on, there we go. There you go. I don't know if it was I don't know if it's because we opened the door and all that sunlight started coming in, but it just didn't want to focus. Nice and flat down the sides. It's a pretty car, man. It's got a good look to it. You see a couple little marks in the dash. Console's nice. Alright. Got Jay fired up here. When he figures out which key starts it. Air does work. I'm not going to flip it on in here, so you don't like them running in here at all. But, yeah, pretty car. Let's shut that, Jay. See, the lights in there do work. Fuel gauge works. Gauges down there working.
Yep.
Yep. I mean, this license plate light works there. Backup lights work. Radio work. Blower motor works.
Yep.
Have a great day, guys.